Hi, welcome to the Bell Discovery YouTube channel, your gateway to exciting and interactive learning. The quiz for today is English, Tagalog vocabulary. Let's see how well you know translations. Let's begin.
What is the Tagalog word for free? Is it libre, bawas, pera, or balita? Ang tamang sagot ay libre. Ano naman ang Tagalog word ng salitang change? Ito ba ay karanasan, aralin, pagbabago, o pagtaguyod? Tamang sagot ay pagbabago. Next, ano ang Tagalog word ng salitang travel? Alamin, paglalakbay, kilalanin, o akyat. Paglalakbay ang tamang sagot. Ang Tagalog ng salitang how much ay ilan, sobra, magkakilala, o magkano. How much in Tagalog ay magkano? Ano ang Tagalog ng neighbor? Ito ba ay kaibigan, hindi, sukdulen, o kapitbahay? The correct answer is kapitbahay. What's the Tagalog of example? Is it pagsusulit, halimbawa, takdang aralin, or panutok? Tagalog of example is halimbawa. What's the Tagalog for we're compatible? Choices are, tayong dalawa, magkapareho tayo, magkaiba tayo, or bagay tayo. We're compatible in Tagalog is, bagay tayo. Tagalog word for afraid is, choices are, tulala, takot, tapang, or nagulat. Afraid in Tagalog is takot. Tagalog of where are you going? Choices are, sinong pupunta? Anong pupuntahan? Kailan pupuntahan? Or, saan ka pupunta? Sagot ay saan ka pupunta? What's the Tagalog of money? Choices are, marami, piraso, pera, o bulto. Money in Tagalog is pera. Tagalog of road is, galit, gusali, kalsada, or matapang. Tagalog of road is kalsada. The Tagalog of you're beautiful is, choices are, maganda ka, mahalimuyak ka, matangkad ka, or malinis ka. You're beautiful in Tagalog is maganda ka. Next, the Tagalog of bread is, the best answer is, puri, tinapay, kumot, or pagkain. Bread in Tagalog is tinapay. The Tagalog of ice is, choices, mata, yelo, manmanan, or kulay. The Tagalog of ice is yellow. The Tagalog of you're impressive is, choices are, matalino ka, madaldal ka, masyado kang mabilis, or nakakabilib ka. Answer is nakakabilib ka. Next question, what's the Tagalog of blood? Choices are, dugo, malabnaw, ugat, or laman loob. Dugo is the Tagalog word for blood. How about the Tagalog for summer? Choices are, lahat, tag-araw, bungang araw, or maangin. Summer, in Tagalog is tag-araw. The Tagalog of, please pass the dish, is, pakikuha ang kanin, pakiabot ang kanin, pakibigay ang mangkok, o, pakiabot ang ulam. Correct, pakiabot ang ulam. The Tagalog of store is, kainan, tindahan, gusali, or bakuran. Store in Tagalog is tindahan. Tagalog of, sit here, is, ito ang upuan, dito ang upuan, dito ka umupo, or, saan ang upuan. Answer is dito ka umupo. Tagalog of ask is, magbalita, magtanong, maglinis, or magkwento. The Tagalog of ask is magtanong. Next, the Tagalog of climb is, lingkis, magsaya, umakyat, or magluto. Tagalog of climb is umakyat. Is this fresh? In Tagalog is, pagkaing dagat, bagong pagkain, kapipitas na gulay, or, sariwa ba ito? Answer is, sariwa ba ito? Tagalog of, I'm lost, is, nahanap ko na, naliligaw ako, hinahanap ko pa, or, nawawala siya. I'm lost in Tagalog is naliligaw ako. Tagalog word for job is, suntok, magtala, trabaho, or, maglaro. Tagalog word for job is trabaho. Next, the Tagalog for sound is, tunog, buhangin, tinig, or, tainga. Tagalog of sound is tunog. The Tagalog of plane is, payak, simple, eroplano, or, barko. The Tagalog of plane is eroplano. Take care in Tagalog is, mag-ingat, magpaalaga, mag-alaga, or, magbantay. Take care in Tagalog is mag-ingat. Choose the correct Tagalog word for hot. Is it bahay kubo, mainit, sombrero, or panyo? The correct Tagalog word for hat is sombrero. The Tagalog of ear is, tagapagmana, buhok, boses, or pakinggan. The Tagalog of here is pakinggan. The Tagalog of almost there is sakto lang, malapit na, konting lakad, or mabilis lang. The Tagalog of almost there is malapit na. Next, the Tagalog for house is tagapagsalita, bahay, may-ari, or paano. The English of bahay is house. Choose the Tagalog word for clock. Is it instrumento, tinig, tunog, or orasan? The Tagalog word for clock is orasan. Select the Tagalog word for hurry up. Choices are, mabilis dapat, bilisan mo, mabilis siya, or binilisan mo. The Tagalog word for hurry up is bilisan mo. Tagalog of restroom is pagtulugan, palikuran, pahingahan, o silid. Restroom in Tagalog is palikuran. Tagalog of street is makipot, kalye, tubig, o lugar. Tagalog of street is kalye. After in Tagalog is panimula, alinsunod, pagkatapos, pagtitipon. After in Tagalog is pagkatapos. Tagalog of this is my payment. Magkano ang bayad? Asan ang bayad mo? Akin ang bayad mo. Ito ang bayad ko. Ito ang bayad ko. Tagalog of expensive is mabigat, makinang, mahal, mumurahin. Expensive is mahal. Tagalog of later is mamaya, kape, sulat, mabilis. Tagalog of later is mamaya.
Congratulations quizzers! So, how many correct answers did you get? Comment down below. For more fun quizzes and challenges, don't forget to subscribe. For update notifications, click the bell. Kindly like and share our videos quizzers.